Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, the channel that's all about beauty on a budget. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to go from yellow, not so fresh teeth to whiter teeth. And this is all going to be on a strict budget. I know that teeth whitening can be very expensive, which is why I'm doing this video to help show you how you can do this at home. The quarantine is lifting, it's not, we're all over the place, but if you don't feel like spending money but you want to be fresh for the summer, then this video is just for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get to it. So I pulled my hair back, and I know that there is activated charcoal toothpaste, but it's probably more expensive than this whole pack of activated charcoal. So I just got this off of Amazon, and the good thing about this is that you can use it for skin health support, burns and wounds, internal detoxification, and then what we're going to be using it for today is clean and strong teeth. So let's take this to the bathroom. You want to be using a toothbrush that you don't really care about it getting black, because let me tell you, it will get black. Also, be careful because it can stain your sink. Well, I wouldn't say stain, but it'll probably take a little bit more to get the charcoal out of the sink. So okay, I'm done talking, let's go. So this is what my teeth look like. I had to get in the light so y'all can really see. They're not really white. They're kind of yellow. And we're gonna take that charcoal powder and change this. So I'm going to be using this toothbrush here. You just want to wet it with some water. Then you want to take it, and you can either put some of this on the side or you can just dip in it. There's like 3 different bags in it. It's pure charcoal. It gets everywhere, like I said, so just be careful. And the easiest way for me is just to stick the toothbrush in there. And since I'm the only one using this, then it's not really a problem. But if you're gonna be using it with someone else and you want to be careful, I probably shouldn't have wore a white shirt, but this is what it looks like with it on. And so then you just want to go in and try to be over the sink. Don't wear a white shirt, and you want to do like 20 seconds on each side. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Try not to swallow any of it, even though it is good for digestive. So you can do a little extra on the front if you want. Now you want to rinse your mouth until it's clear. As you can see, it got all over my shirt, all in the sink. You can use your toothbrush to help. So I look a little crazy, but you want to stop and just see what you need to do. So then you just want to take a towel and wipe the sink and anywhere else you got it that you did not want to get it. And then what I like to do is use the same toothbrush and go in with just my toothpaste. So this also is whitening and it has baking soda in it. You can go in after with baking soda, or you can do this. There are other ways to whiten your teeth at home using baking soda and lemon, but this is the one I like to do. I do have both of those items in my closet, and those are in my pantry, and those are things you already have, so you won't have to buy anything else. So go in and brush your teeth. Here is the end result. As you can see, my teeth are already, this is just after one, but the more you continue to do it, the more it's going to impact. And the good thing I like about this is that it's not chipping away your enamel, so your teeth aren't getting weak. It's actually making them stronger. So like I said, be careful when using it because it can get everywhere and you don't want it to stain anything. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more at-home DIYs, be sure to check out my aloe vera hair mask that I just did using a fresh aloe vera. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles.